Hey everyone, one of the most eagerly awaited consoles is Nintendo Switch 2. Rumor has it that it will debut in April 2025, while the exact date of release is still unknown. Nintendo has not yet disclosed the design of system, even though release is only a few months away. Nonetheless, case manufacturer has disclosed important information on its design. Switch 2 will be bigger than its predecessors, according to leaks. The console is 270 by 116 by 14 millimeters. The original Switch, for instance, is 242 by 102 by 13.9 millimeters. As a result, the Switch 2 will be a little thicker, wider, and longer. For the new console, Dbrand has released a case named Kill Switch. The business posted a video and 3D drawings of the case. They assert that Nintendo's details served as the basis for the design. A bigger and brighter screen is probably what the increased size entails, which is a quality that contemporary gamers would like. There are several intriguing elements in the case design that was revealed. Under the Home button, a new Joy-Con button appears, raising the possibility of additional features. The processor and graphics specifications are yet unclear. To compete with rival systems, fans anticipate major improvements. There is fierce competition in the handheld gaming business. Competitors of the Switch 2 include the Asus ROG, Lenovo Legion Go, and Steam Deck. There are also rumors that Sony's PlayStation is developing a new portable console. To be competitive, the Switch 2 will require powerful performance and novel features. Nintendo has a devoted following, particularly in the US, Japan, and the Far East. This is a significant benefit. Fans have, however, previously criticized underwhelming releases. The Switch 2 needs to live up to high standards and provide excellent value in order to flourish. The increased size and anticipated features of the Switch 2 make it an intriguing proposition. Nintendo will have to innovate to regain its dominance in the face of fierce competition. How do you feel about the updated layout? Will the anticipation around the Switch 2 be justified? Tell us what you think. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new gaming console? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.